Now that we have some idea for our design, I can simply close all these tabs and open this folder right here. I will open CMD and type in Flutter. After creating Flutter project, we can open Visual Studio Code. And from here, we can choose our folder, select folder, and it will open Flutter project. We can go to lib, and inside the main, we can clear everything. So these are basic Flutter coding. If you don't have any idea about Flutter and you have never programmed before, I suggest you to watch the beginner tutorial, which is around 1 hour. There I explained everything which is important in Flutter, and that will help you to make an application from scratch. And if you watch that video, you will not face any problem in this video. Now I'm gonna use ChatGPT to design my application. First, I want to have the bottom menu bar that will show 3 icons of home, location, and favorite. So I'm gonna type in here. Now if I copy paste everything in the ChatGPT, it should give me the working code. Alright, I just copied and pasted. Now let me run and see if there is a menu or not. Okay, I had to restart the PC, but now it's running, and you can see the design is perfect. We have our home page, we have location, we have favorite. Now on click of this, I want to open different pages. So for that, I will first create the folder for different pages like home page. Inside there, I will have a file called home page.dart, location.dart, and similarly for favorites. And inside each of them, I will write a simple stateless. I will create the same thing for every other pages. Alright, we have our pages separate. Now I will tell ChatGPT to open the pages according to what we click. Alright, the code is generated, and you can see here we have the routing already defined for location, favorites, home. Down here we have the code for home page, but the problem is this bottom navigation bar is repeated in every page. This is home page, and again we have the same bottom navigation in location and favorite also. I'm thinking of creating a layout page, and inside the layout I will have the scaffold, I will have the menus, and the scaffold body will be replaced with the page that we are gonna call. So let me give the prompt to the ChatGPT and see if it can create something like that. Perfect. I think this is exactly what I needed. I can copy this and go to VS Code. Here inside the lib, I will create a layout.dart, and inside here I will paste the code, and we can import our own files. You can see here we have got scaffold, and we're calling different pages on click of different icons. One thing that we have to change inside our home, we don't need scaffold because we already have it inside our layout. So I will remove it from here. That's it. And I will copy the same thing to favorites and also to the location. Now inside the main also we have to call layout instead of my app because we don't use my app. Now I can simply remove the entire my app, and in the top call layout. Now if I restart the entire application, everything should be fine. I think I have to stop and run it again. So we have this error, and it says that scaffold should have the ancestor. If you can see here in the layout, we have scaffold, but we don't have the MaterialApp. Let me add it here. Now if I restart the application, it should work perfectly fine. Awesome. So we have our application, and if I click on the location, it will take me to the location page, and if I click on favorite, it will take me on favorite. And the benefit of this is that we have our pages separately, and we can write the code separately for every page. So now let's write the code for our home page.